Ini anak siapa yang cantik ni?
Anak ibu lah.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Good afternoon for today. Alright, now we're going in for our park. Okay, and bird power. Yeah, we are going to see.
Nampak tak? Nampak tak? Nampak?
Yeah. Good job.
Jauh lagi.
Alright, now you.
Down.
You're welcome. Very nice. One, two, three, and four. Good. Second time. Also 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here.
Hello.
Ah, hello. Okay. Okay. For the pretty ladies, what will you say when you see pretty ladies?
Hi.
Ah, can you say something happy again? For the second time, can you say happy hello to all kids here? Wow, very good. That's pretty good. One thing is very important. Very big. Good. Tony.